Let's kick it. Ice, ice, baby.
Today on Cooking with a Twist, we are baking brownies, but with a little bit of a twist.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Step 1, add the mix to the bowl.
Step 2, add 1/4 cup of water.
Step 3, add half a cup of vegetable oil.
Step 4, add those eggs. You should have preheated the oven to 350 just a little bit ago, but we're doing it right now. So, preheat the oven to 350, step 1.
Get out your handy dandy spatula and mix up your bowl.
Grease the bottom of the pan. Don't forget. Baking spray.
If you want to have a little fun in Christmas, make it snow.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
What is that?
That's a lot.
Here. Maybe just a little bit too much. But spray your pan with Pam. Recommended use Pam, not Corlini baking spray, because it looks a little too woo.
No, you
Next, pour it
poured it
in your pan. Next, put the brownies in the oven for 24 minutes.
Now we are going to melt the almond bark. So we're going to cut it into squares. And we are going to melt it by what the package says on the back.
Next, we're going to cut the brownies to make them Christmas trees. Really good.
Next, to make our brownies green for the Christmas tree, we're going to add food coloring. 1.
Oh no. For future reference, you might want to cook your brownies a little longer because this is all liquid. It's batter, it's not done. So maybe 30 minutes instead of 24 minutes would be much better. Our Christmas trees aren't really Christmas trees because they are not done. So these ones are done, no worries.
Next, we're going to take a plastic bag and we are going to spoon our almond bark. Next, we are going to cut off the tip so that we can ice our brownies. So now, very carefully,
next, we're going to make it rain sprinkles.
thanks for tuning in to another episode of Bacon with a Twist.
Okay. Dun 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 dun. We out.